Hey guys, we just wanted to tell you that we're starting up this new channel. We have already posted our first video, which is pretty crappy,
But our big one, the Pi Day, is going to be so awesome, and we
Yeah.
had so much fun making it. But it took, let's say, all night, and it's going to take us long to cut it, I think.
I'm pretty sorry there was some fault with the light there, I could see, but I was just saying that right now it's the preparation for Pi Day we're setting out. We have used, I don't know, in all, like, I don't know, 7 hours or something like that on cutting it, filming it, editing it, and we had a lot of fun.
I did a lot. I came beside him while he did the work.
Yeah, I actually did a lot of the work. But I really hope that you will have some fun watching it too, and we'll set a lot of videos out. We'll make a gaming channel too.
Yeah, I love games.
It'll be pretty epic actually. One of our friends who's in the video is 1 year.
1 year on high school.
Yeah, you could call it that. I don't know what it's called in English, but so he won't really be in our videos. Maybe in some of the gaming videos because we can use the internet for it. But he's pretty much away this year. Hopefully.
He owed me money.
He's a cool guy.
And he owed me money.
So we just wanted to say hi, and hopefully you'll watch our videos.
Yeah.
Bye.